Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video for you today. I'm using this cute kit by Fab Planner Print and it's called Boho Girl. I will link that below. My washi today is by Maggie Holmes. I don't think it's available anymore. I think it's at least 2 or 3 years old. So I've just got some rose gold ones for the inside and a muted silver tone for the outside. And the reason I do this, I've explained in my other videos, is just so that I can frame the stickers that I use, because the planner that I use is an A5. So in order to make any kit I fancy using work, I just add washi and just use my scissors to trim things down and move things around a little, as you can see that I'm doing now. My printables, if you're interested, are by Annie Plans Printables, and I'll link that below too. So I'm just matching up this sticker here, as you can see, and now I've made the bottom washi all match, and then I'm just going to do the same at the top. And then once I've framed my pages, then I will add my more functional stickers in. So first off, I do like to frame it, as I said, and then I like to add my functional boxes in and lists, as you'll see in a second. These glitter bows here are also by Fab Planner Print, and I will link them as well. So I've added one for each day of the week, and then at the weekend I've just added a decorative sticker and then added one for Sunday underneath there. And now that I have covered up all my days of the week underneath, I'm just adding in the ones that came in my kit, which is the beautiful scripty font with a lilac background. And I'm also adding in a weekend sticker down the side. So obviously I don't do as much on a weekend, so I just have a smaller area for my to-dos on those days. I'm just adding now some cute little purple feathers and just using a pen. I just tested it on my sticker paper first, and I'm just adding the days of the week in there. Now I'm getting my glitter heart lists. I love these. They come in loads of different colours, so you can just go through a sheet and choose the ones that work well with whichever stickers you're using. So I've used the purples and greys. There's 2 shades of grey, 2 shades of purple in this. Again, I will link them below. And if you do want to get hold of these products that are by Fab Planner Print, then please use my code 10Sarah and then you will get 10% off, and it's a no minimum spend in the shop as well. So for each day of the week I have staggered them, so I've got them either at the bottom or the top of the page. That's so I just don't have one long line of writing, which I'd find harder to keep track of. So I add a deco box at the top or bottom. I don't need my entire page to be filled. I don't work on a time of day sort of schedule because I have a little boy and he just doesn't let me work on a time of day schedule anyway. So I'm best off just writing down some priorities for the day, and that's it. And just hope I get some of it done. And in between my checkboxes, I am just adding some of the deco stickers, which also come with this kit, so they match perfectly. And I'm just adding them here and there, making sure that I leave enough space to add any extra things that I need to remember on that day that crop up as the week goes on. And then the boxes across the top are my priorities for the week. So if I've got something very important to remember for each day, then that's what I will write in those. So now that I'm happy with my stickers, I'm just trimming off my washi. I will also use my hole punch to punch holes in and then add it back to my planner. And finally, I'm just going to add a few things that are definitely already in my calendar, which is my boys' induction days at nursery, which I have a couple of this week to get them used to it. And then I think I also add a YouTube day as well, which is a priority one, which goes at the top. The rest I will fill out throughout the week as I go along. Otherwise, if I don't get it done, then it just ends up far too messy and confusing. So here's a little bit of a close-up of what I've done here. So thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. I also do scrapbooking and mixed media videos, but if you check out my homepage, then you can see the playlist there, and you can just select planner videos and just see all the planner ones. So thanks again for joining me. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.